something. Hey, you know what that is? It's a pack and play for your baby.
That's also a baby toys.
Yeah. She could play in it. She's sleeping in a cradle right now. She could sleep in her pack and play, or she could play in her pack and play. See, I think, look, Santa gave you some toys for her. A passy, mirror thingy.
One over here by the football field.
What?
There's one over here by the football field.
One more.
Something for the baby to play with.
I'll get baby that day.
Pack and play? Is that where you and Aaron sleep?
I'll get baby that
Well, she has her new shoesies on too.
Baby needs a baby.
She was gonna put night-night in there? I'll pass it. Wow, it's windy up there.
Baby, take that toy. Take that toy.
Oh, she needs that one.
Yep.
Oh, Holly's going in, look.
Oh boy. The baby's not gonna fit in there.
What?
The baby's not gonna
Maybe
fit in
it's
there.
Holly's bed. Goodbye. Everything's stuffy.
Yeah, turn one thing off.
We just turned off. Oh boy.
Baby,
Let's see, Tommy's